What's good, everybody? How y'all doing? It's your boy Keith here, Beast Gains Fitness, and welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, please do subscribe to the channel to really help us out and like the video. All right, just like it, press that like button. Let's get started. So today I've got another great video for you guys. I'm going to show you how you can bench press without a bench, but instead bench press with a chair. You can use this method if you work out at home and you want to start bench pressing, but you don't have a bench or access to a bench, or for whatever reason you just don't have a bench to bench press on. So you can use this method and it will get you the results you want. It'll work the same way as you would bench press on a normal bench. All right, so yeah, let me show you what that looks like and let's get into this video. All right, so first things first, the kind of chair you're gonna need is gonna be something similar to this kind of chair. All right, it mustn't have any handles on the sides. It must just look like this, because that is the perfect type of chair to do bench presses on, and I'm going to show you why in a minute. So yeah, let's get to it.